the silence of the night, where the moonlight casts its glow. Shadows dance with a soft, sweet fright, whispering secrets they only know. Whispers in the dark, calling out my name. A symphony of stars, igniting the flame. Lost in the echoes, the mysteries unfold. Whispers in the dark, stories left untold. Through the veil of twilight's embrace, I hear a voice soft and clear, guiding me through this haunted place. In the darkness, there's nothing to fear. Whispers in the dark, calling out my name. A symphony of stars, igniting the flame. Lost in the echoes, the mysteries unfold. Whispers in the dark, stories left untold. Secrets of the night, a language only known to those who dare to listen to the whispers all alone. Every shadow, every sound, a tale waiting to be found in the dark where dreams and fears are unbound. Whispers in the dark, calling out my name. A symphony of stars, igniting the flame. Lost in the echoes, the mysteries unfold. Whispers in the dark, stories left untold.